You've been putting in long days on the job, fixing leaks, running pipe, and making sure systems work. Now it's time to take the next big step, your plumbing journeyman exam. And the truth is, passing that test doesn't just prove you know your trade. It unlocks better pay, more opportunities, and national recognition. So let's talk about the Plumbing Journeyman Exam Preparation course. This isn't about memorizing every code or formula by heart. It's about studying smart, breaking content into sections, and learning how the exam actually works. The Journeyman Plumbing exam usually gives you 3.5 to 4 hours. You'll face 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. But these aren't trick questions. They're built around real job site problems, blueprints, slope calculations, safety issues, and troubleshooting scenarios. Here's the thing. Tradespeople who pass often start preparing 3 to 6 months before test day. Not with all-night cramming, but with short, consistent study sessions. Even 30 minutes a day adds up fast. And that's exactly what a strong Plumbing Journeyman exam preparation course is designed to help you with. The best courses break things down into sections like drainage, venting, gas, fixtures, codes, and backflow. That way, you can focus on one area at a time instead of drowning in information. And when you connect what you're studying to the work you already do in the field, the concepts stick. Now, what about tools to guide your prep? At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find digital Q&A books that let you test yourself anytime. You'll also see explanation-style resources that walk you through why an answer is right, not just what the answer is. And when you're ready, you can challenge yourself with online timed tests to simulate the real pressure of exam day. Here's the best part. Everything is downloadable instantly. That means no waiting for shipping or lugging heavy books around. You can study on your phone, on your tablet, or right at your computer, whether you're on break at work or relaxing at home. Now let's be real. Many people feel nervous going into this exam. Maybe you've been out of school for years. Maybe you're returning to the trade after time away. Or maybe English isn't your first language. All of that is normal. And you're not alone. Thousands of plumbers across the US take this exam every single year. And plenty of them felt the exact same way you do right now. Confidence builds with preparation. That's why short, structured study sessions, paired with realistic practice questions, make such a difference. It's not about perfection. It's about building steady progress day by day. And here's what comes after you pass. As a certified journeyman plumber, you can step into higher-paying positions. You can supervise apprentices, qualify for more stable work, or even open your own business. This certification is more than a test. It's your ticket to growth, security, and pride in your trade. So, if you're wondering where to begin, the answer is simple. Start with a Plumbing Journeyman exam preparation course designed for working tradespeople. Choose resources that are practical, digital, and built around the way the exam is structured. At journeymanstudyguide.com, you'll find exactly that. Tools that fit into your busy schedule and help you walk into test day with confidence. You already have the hands-on skills. Now it's time to make them official. Prepare smart, study consistently, and take your plumbing career to the next level.